I keep flowers in the toilet tank. My family and guests are truly delighted. Start by carefully removing the top lid of the tank. Get your favorite flowers ready. Choose fresh, colorful blooms. Start with green stems and leaves. They will create the base that gives a natural look. If the stems are too long, trim them to fit. Now it's time for color. Place pink and red flowers into the tank. They'll add energy and brightness. Carnations work perfectly. Next, add a touch of sunshine. Yellow flowers will bring a cheerful, warm accent. The more flowers, the better. Add other colors too. Deep burgundy or purple will look great. This is a decoration no one will expect, but that's not all. To keep the arrangement fresh longer, add flower food to the water. Lightly spray all the flowers with your favorite perfume. The bathroom becomes not only colorful, but also sensual. Your guests won't believe it. Everything takes on character and color.